Today I am going to share one of my favorite spice mixes with you. We call it taco seasoning, and this is a great simple seasoning that you can make at home with ingredients that most of you will have on hand at all times. This is such a great versatile seasoning that I make huge amounts, and we put it on everything. We sprinkle it on chicken, we sprinkle it on beef or turkey or all sorts of different things, and it helps us. It's one of the key staple products that we use that really help us to make those emergency meals. We love the flavor. Now the thing with anytime you're making a mix, make it to your family's taste. We like a lot of garlic and we love things very, very spicy. If that's not your thing, that's fine. Cut down on the garlic. The biggest thing is to make it to your specifications. So what I'm going to do is show you how simple. It's going to take us 3 minutes, not even 3 minutes, to put together a huge container of it. There's no MSG, there's no bad chemicals, nothing irradiated, nothing gross, nothing GMO, none of that in this. You can choose your own spices, you can go organic, you can grow your own, however you want to do it. So, taco seasoning. Are you ready for this? You're going to die at the simplicity. First of all, get a bunch of spoons. I like to have iced tea spoons and I like to have soup spoons. So, I'm a little bit lazy when it comes to cooking and I like to do things fast. So, grab your garlic and watch this. We have one. Ooh, that smells good. We have 2 spoons of garlic. Now for me, I'm going to put, whoa, that wasn't quite 3. In fact, let's just dump the rest of it in there. Garlic is so good for you. You can never have enough garlic. Woo, this is just kind of went everywhere. Now we have onion powder. Onion powder gives it a great taste. I don't normally use onion powder for anything except for making my own spice mix. So we've got another 2 heaping spoons, and this is my soup spoon. So we've got our garlic, and we've got that in. Now, because those 2 are similar, I'll use the same spoon, but that's it for that spoon. Now we've got our salt. We like to do everything with sea salt at the Prudent Wife. Why? It's not going to come out there. Sea salt is so much better for you than regular salt. It's natural, it's got natural things, it's not full of preservatives, it's not full of anti-caking ingredients. We love sea salt. That's all we've used for years and years and years and years and years. Now I've already ground some freshly cracked pepper in there. If you don't have a pepper grinder, go to Trader Joe's, spend $1.99 and get one of these. They are fabulous. And what you want to do is crack about 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of pepper. And I've already kind of cheated and started that one going. So 2 big spoons of pepper. Now we're getting into my favorite ingredient, or one of my very favorite. This is a secret ingredient that's really going to help it have that zing that you really want to have. And we're going to skip to our iced teaspoon. This is cumin or cumin, depends on what side of the country you're on. That's how you're going to say it. This is the secret spice. And I kind of do a heaping spoon of that. In fact, we like it so much I'm going to do 3. So we love it. It's one of our favorite spices. Very, very good spice. It really helps bring things into Thai flavoring, Mexican flavoring. It's what makes chili taste like chili, believe it or not. And guess what? I forgot the chili powder. Here we are. I'm making this. The basis of this is chili powder, and I don't even have it down. So I actually cheat on chili powder, and I get the massive one. We will go through this thing of chili powder. There are 3 in our household currently. We will go through one of these probably every 3 months. So we go through a lot of chili powder. And frankly, it just is something that is a lot cheaper for me to get the big one at Sam's, or we have Sam's here. We don't have Costco, so you should all feel sorry for us. 2, and I'm going to go ahead and cheat and put a 3rd one. Again, those are heaping spoonfuls. And I'm making a lot of this mixture. Why? Because we love it. And I'll put that aside. Why? Again, the chili powder has a very strong taste. All right, so now we're going to get a nice teaspoon, and now it's time for a little bit of oregano. Oregano is so wonderful. You want to use fresh spices when you use them. I'm only going to do 1 of the teaspoons of oregano. That's how we like it. Now for our favorite, which is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, we love the Trader Joe's version. We are a little psycho in our family. Actually, that one isn't even opened up yet. It's the same thing in here. We like a lot of cayenne pepper, but I like to taste things as I go. And so what I'm going to probably do is do half a teaspoon. If you're watching this at home, I would suggest you start with an 1/8 and then maybe a 1/4 and really stir it up and make sure that you can handle it. Me will probably go a lot more on this because that's what our family likes. Stir this, and I don't know if you can kind of see it coming out and over, but it is absolutely fabulous. So you just get that all nice and stirred up. It smells so good. You're going to love it. And you can tell I've made a lot. This is a gigantic bowl. It's not a little teeny bowl. And I got to spill a little now. The little packages of Lowry's taco seasoning or the organic ones that you may buy at Whole Foods or your health food store, you can make those again for pennies, saving yourself every time you make this. You'll be able to make the equivalent of, depending on how much you make, of about 8 to maybe 12 to 15 packets for pennies, as opposed to $1 a packet or whatever you're paying for those high priced spices that are full of chemicals, and we've got none of them. Enjoy your day.